If you've been searching for a way to make your TRX even more badass, we've got something for you. Hey everyone, I'm Sara and this is the product rundown on AWE's 0FG exhaust suite for the Ram TRX. The 0FG is a true dual 3-inch T304L stainless steel catback featuring a bespoke resonated H-pipe and AWE's patented drone canceling 180 technology. Together, combined with precision fitment, class-leading rigidity, and signature 5-inch slash cut tips, you're looking at the best sounding exhaust on the planet for the TRX. The 0FG begins right after the factory emissions equipment with stainless steel flanges making its way to the rear via smooth bends and an impressive set of features. AWE is known for designing specific H-pipes for American V8 applications, as we feel they're deserving of deep notes that shake the walls instead of high-pitched, often raspy soundtracks typically produced from an X-pipe. We quickly learned that TRX demanded specific attention in this department, as its characteristics were different when compared to its Mopar-powered Challenger and Charger family members. After many iterations and a bit of dirt, we developed a special 3-inch resonated H-pipe that really harnessed the raw anger of the 6.2 to produce a rich, deep exhaust note. Now, the 6.2's anger was harnessed, but it was critical that we kept that anger in check in order to keep it drone-free within the cabin at cruising speeds without softening the tone. No one likes to hear a V8 that sounds stuffy and congested. You know who you are. Cue AWE's patented drone-canceling 180 technology. 180 tech enables straight pipe performance without the drone. By removing problematic frequencies from the central exhaust note, repairing them, and then strategically reintroducing them back into the primary flow, 180 tech rids the drone all without disrupting performance. No compromises, no drone, and a damn good tone. Check it out. Bringing up the rear of the beast are 5-inch double-walled slash-cut tips in chrome silver or diamond black, complete with the stamped AWE logo to let everyone know what team you're on. 0FG is 100% bolt-on, emissions-friendly, and features our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. Engineered, designed, and manufactured with precision in-house here at AWE for you and your TRX. For more information or to grab one for yourself, head to aweram.com. This video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.